Let's start with the writing and language test. So in writing and language test we have standard English conventions. Let's check what all is there in the standard English conventions. Fine. Now, what is a sentence? We have seen we need to know the sentence structure, right? So in this, what is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete idea. Okay, in that a complete sentence must have a subject and a verb. Okay, a subject tells who or what the sentence is. We said in a sentence we need to have a subject and a verb. What is a subject? Subject tells us who or what the sentence is about. Okay, and a subject can be a noun or a pronoun. Now, what is a noun? Noun is the name of person or a place, thing, animal, etc. Okay. Pronoun, the word that is used instead of a noun is a pronoun, like I, we, you. Subject, as we have seen, subject can be a noun or a pronoun, and subject tells us who or what the sentence is about. Okay, let's know a bit more about it. A subject can be a single word or a group of words. Okay, subject can be a single word or a group of words. Now, when we say a sentence like walking is good exercise for health. Walking is a good exercise for health. Here, walking, which is ing form of the verb, acting as a noun in a sentence, is called a gerund. So, a gerund can be a subject in a sentence. Gerund can act as a subject. Okay, and when we say one more example like ice cream and yogurt are equally delicious. Herein, what's the subject? Ice cream and yogurt. Okay, so we can have a subject which is joined by and. Two nouns joined by and can also act as a subject. Okay, now are we clear with that? Yes. So let's check with another example. If a sentence is like, the little boy in the classroom is doing his project work. Okay, the little boy in the classroom is doing his project work. Now what is the subject in the sentence? The little boy in the classroom is the subject. Okay, now this we call as a noun phrase. This is a noun phrase. So a noun phrase can also act as a subject in a sentence. Okay, then what I want is your hard work. What I want is your hard work. Now what is the subject in this sentence? What I want. Right. Now this is a noun clause. Okay, so noun clause can act as a subject. Noun clause can also act as a subject. Noun clause also can act as a subject. Okay. So what all can act as a subject in a sentence? Gerund, nouns joined by and, noun phrase and a noun clause. Are we clear? Yes, let's move on. Now, we were saying subject helps us to understand who or what the sentence is about. Right. So, subject helps us to understand who or what the sentence is about. Right. So, to identify the subject of a sentence, we always try to use who or what with the verb. We are trying to use who or what with the verb of that particular sentence. Okay. So to identify the subject and the verb in a sentence, we are always trying to raise a question of who or what with the verb of that particular sentence. Okay. Shall we take an example? John swims every day. So what is the subject? To identify that, we need